How to activate two WhatsApp business accounts in one phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can activate two WhatsApp business in one phone. So let's just go ahead with the process and see how to do it. So if you want to activate two WhatsApp business account in one phone, the method you can apply up is, we don't have the direct method of adding account like we do on our WhatsApp account. So when we head over to account, we usually find an option called add account here. But unfortunately, WhatsApp business does not allow this. So what we can do in order to do, create two or use two WhatsApp business in one phone is go ahead and create up a dual version of the WhatsApp business from your device. So you need to utilize the dual feature. So you can head over to the settings of your device and search for dual. And when you do that, you'll be finding this dual messenger. So from this dual app section, you need to go ahead and look out for WhatsApp business. So if you have that option here, you need to go ahead and enable this option right here. For example, let's say that is WhatsApp business, and tap on install, and it will create a second copy of the app of WhatsApp business. So if you don't have the WhatsApp business in your dual feature, your built-in feature in your device, you can go ahead and download the Play Store, application dual, that lets you create dual apps on your phone. You can go ahead and search for those kind of applications available in your Play Store and go ahead and download the one that will help you create the dual. After that, you need to go ahead and open up the dual version. It will be with this icon available. You just need to go ahead and open up your WhatsApp business, your WhatsApp dual messenger. And after that, go ahead and create an account that you normally do, how you normally do, and that is it. So that is how you create a WhatsApp business, two WhatsApp business in a single phone. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.